Now, I've also heard as well that you have engineering services that are available in the industry. Is that right?
That's right.
Okay.
That's right. So on engineering services, again, it goes back to our roots as an OEM designer. I wouldn't say OEM. I should probably say the designer of a lot of the OEM aircraft. So a lot of the engineers that work at Spirit are actually the ones that have designed, let's say, several parts of the 787 or the A350, the MAX, and so on. So that knowledge is resident and it is available to the Airbuses, the Boeings. When it comes to engineering. Let's say we have a challenge with trying to fulfill the engineering demand in the industry overall. So our engineers are available and they do work for the OEMs, Airbus and Boeing today. And whenever needed, they are there to support airlines also.
Yeah, very good. Well, one thing I can say to those of you watching today is that one of the things I've seen the last couple of years is really a very significant growth in your support of the maintenance and engineering component of the industry. Many years ago, I used to think, well, Spirit AeroSystems is a manufacturer, and you're providing parts and materials. And unless you're very closely involved in some of the transitions that have occurred, over the last 5+ years or so, you're providing MROs, you're providing support for MROs, you're providing materials and repairs and engineering, and I think that's really important. And I'm really glad to hear that because that's an exciting contribution, to the growth and the management and the success really of the industry.